Masterclasses by KLR, the Photo Guru YouTube channel. We have planned to conduct masterclasses on photography on various subjects, depending upon your requirement, at your own place, at your own convenient time, at your own convenient duration. So this classes has been planned based on the request of some of the subscribers to our channel. Learning is a lifetime process. I know you are watching this information because you are interested in photography, particularly if you are interested in learning photography. Am I right? If that be the case, the master classes is the best solution for you because it has got a lot of advantages. The first advantage here is we are going to organize this for a very small group of participants, maybe from 10 to 15. And I'm going to come to your place and I'm going to talk about the subject of your interest, and the subject will be discussed in detail. In detail means we'll go in depth into the particular topic and you will be having a hands-on experience wherever and whenever it is possible. The master classes by KLR, the Photo Guru, is an unique experience for you because we are going to talk about the specific subjects in depth. The subjects can be anything starting from basics of photography, like art of photography, like composition, or sometimes it could be even lighting techniques or concept-based studies like wedding photography, candid wedding photography, and advanced studio lighting techniques like tabletop photography, product photography, food photography, macro photography. Sometimes we can also talk about the post-production process, maybe in Adobe Camera Raw process, Lightroom, Photoshop techniques, and we can also think about album designing classes. So the topics are varied. So we are ready to offer all these courses down onto your place, provided if you are able to gather 10 to 15 of your friends or maybe colleagues who are really interested to learn seriously. The master classes will guarantee you the learning, and the time spent on the training will be cherished by all of you because we are not going to waste the time on any other activity other than photography. For example, there are no brand promotion or equipment promotions involved in this particular activity. So it is going to be a 100% photography only. So this can give you an ample scope so that you can really enjoy the learning process. You will definitely feel that the time and the money spent on the particular master class is definitely worth it. So we are going to focus only on quality learning because we don't discount anything in the learning process. Please remember, this is an opportunity which is being asked by many of our subscribers during this past 1 year. KLR, the Photo Guru, is going to come to your doorsteps and offer the services of sharing the information about the real and true photographic techniques and photographic experience. Please organize your friends and colleagues in a very small groups and contact me to conduct the master classes at your convenient time. Please call this number 9444441190 for details. We will join together and travel together and take photography to the next level and be successful in the field of photography as a business and also as a profession. Join the master classes of KLR, the Photo Guru, and learn photography with the right perspective. Let us learn every day to make a success in the field of photography. Take care.